Have you ever wondered how insurance companies determine your life insurance rates? It's a question many of us ask, yet few truly understand. There's a common misconception that these rates are plucked from thin air or decided by a roll of the dice. But the truth is far from it. Life insurance rates are carefully calculated based on a variety of factors. Each of these factors plays a crucial role in determining your premiums, the amount you'll pay for your insurance policy. It's important to understand these factors because having this knowledge can help you make more informed decisions when it comes to your life insurance policy. Does your age or lifestyle affect your rates? Does your health condition play a part? Do all these factors affect all types of life insurance policies? The answer to these questions might surprise you. In the next few minutes, we will demystify these factors for you. One of the first factors that insurance companies consider is your age. Yes, it's true. The younger you are, the lower your life insurance premiums. You see, insurance is all about risk assessment, and statistically speaking, younger individuals are less likely to pass away, making them less of a risk to insure. Next, let's talk about your lifestyle habits. Are you a smoker? Do you enjoy skydiving on weekends? Well, these habits can affect your life insurance rates as well. High-risk activities or habits can make you a riskier bet for insurance companies, and that can increase your premiums. So, if you're thinking about taking up bungee jumping, you might want to reconsider, at least for the sake of your wallet. Next on the list is your occupation. If your job involves a higher risk of injury or illness, like firefighting or construction work, you might face higher premiums. Insurance companies assess the risks involved in your work environment and adjust your rates accordingly. Insurers also look at your family medical history. Do you have a family history of heart disease or cancer? Even though you may be perfectly healthy now, insurance companies consider these genetic predispositions as potential risks. As a result, your premiums might be a bit higher. But remember, while all these factors can influence your life insurance rates, they don't necessarily affect all types of policies. So don't be surprised if you're asked to provide more information or undergo a physical examination depending on the policy. It's all about understanding your situation and finding the right balance between cost and coverage. But that's not all. Your own health and life conditions play a significant part in determining your life insurance premiums. So, let's take a closer look. You might be wondering how your health and life conditions can affect your premiums. It's no secret that healthier individuals generally receive lower premiums. Chronic illnesses such as diabetes or heart disease raise red flags for insurance companies as they signify a higher risk. Therefore, premiums for individuals with such conditions are often higher. Similarly, obesity, another health risk, can lead to increased premiums. This is because obesity is linked with a range of health complications from high blood pressure to certain types of cancer. Mental health is another important factor. Conditions such as depression or anxiety are taken into consideration. Remember, insurance companies are all about assessing risk, and mental health conditions can sometimes be associated with higher risks, leading to higher premiums. But it's not all about health. Life conditions play a significant role too. Marital status, for example, can influence your premiums. Some insurers offer lower rates for married individuals as they are perceived to be more stable and less risky. The number of dependents you have can also impact your premiums. More dependents often mean higher premiums, as the financial loss in case of your untimely demise would be greater. Financial obligations like a mortgage or business loans can also be considered. The greater your financial obligations, the higher the risk for the insurance company, which can lead to increased premiums. Now, it's important to note that the impact of these factors can vary depending on the type of life insurance policy you choose. For instance, simple policies with automated underwriting may rely on data from the Medical Information Bureau and other sources to determine eligibility and premiums. These policies might not require a medical exam. On the other hand, traditional policies often require a thorough medical examination and consider a broader range of factors. Remember, all these factors don't affect all types of life insurance policies in the same way. So, it's essential to understand the nuances and choose a policy that best suits your health and life conditions. Now that you understand the factors determining your life insurance rates, you can make informed decisions. We've journeyed through the mystery of life insurance rates, unraveling the various elements that come into play. We've shown a light on the impact of health and life conditions on premiums and how they may differ from person to person. It's important to remember that each factor we've discussed, From age, gender, and lifestyle choices to health conditions and family medical history may not affect all types of policies in the same way. Some policies, especially those with automated digital underwriting, might weigh these factors differently, so consider your circumstances carefully. Understand what makes you unique and how it might affect your premiums. Be proactive, be informed, and make the right choice for you and your loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insightful content. Remember, knowledge is power.